many people are confused about which food is good for salad. Is it good to eat chapati with salad, or rice, or dal, or curd, or raita? So today in this video, we'll discuss about it. And traditionally, salad is supposed to be eaten before the main course, but now people eat it as a main dish also. Now in South India, traditionally, we eat salad after the main course, but North Indians eat it as a starter before the main course. These are light and fresh salads that are made with ingredients like cucumber, tomato, onion, coriander, mint leaves, and sometimes beans, carrots, and other vegetables. They are usually dressed with a light vinaigrette or a citrus dressing. These are usually more substantial salads that include ingredients like chickpeas, beans, lentils, boiled eggs, or grilled chicken. Well, it's not a very common practice to eat chapati with salad, but it is definitely possible. Chapati are made with whole wheat and are a good source of carbohydrates and fiber. However, it's important to note that chapati are cooked, and eating them with a raw salad may not be the best idea. If you do decide to eat chapati with a salad, it's best to either grill or toast the chapati to make them crispier and add some variety to the textures in your meal. They're often dressed with a creamy dressing or a vinaigrette. Now in this case, the best thing to eat with the salad is either brown rice or whole wheat. Both brown rice and whole wheat are excellent sources of carbohydrates and fiber, which will provide the necessary energy to keep you full and satisfied. Brown rice has a nutty flavor and a chewy texture, while whole wheat has a more robust flavor and a slightly tougher texture. Both grains are versatile and can be served hot or cold, making them an ideal accompaniment to a salad. These salads are meant to be eaten before the main course, and they help to stimulate the appetite and aid digestion. In this case, it is best to eat either brown bread or whole wheat bread with the salad. Well, curd or raita is a fermented dairy product that is made with milk, and it is a good source of protein and calcium. It has a cooling effect on the body and is often eaten with Indian dishes such as rice or chapati. While it is not a common practice to eat curd or raita with a salad, it is definitely possible. In fact, the cooling effect of curd or raita can be a nice contrast to the freshness of the salad. However, if you are eating a salad as a starter, it's probably best to avoid eating curd or raita with it, as it may make you feel too full and may not stimulate your appetite for the main course. Brown bread is a healthier option as it has more fiber and nutrients than white bread. It ultimately depends upon your own taste preferences and digestive capacity. But hopefully these suggestions will help you to decide what to eat with your next salad. Eating brown bread with salad is a common practice in many Western countries, and it makes for a balanced and nutritious starter. Alternatively, one can also eat a small bowl of plain yogurt or dahi with the salad. This will add a nice contrast in taste and texture, and will also help to digest the salad better. First of all, salad is nothing but a mixture of raw vegetables cut into pieces and seasoned with some sort of dressing. These salads include ingredients like quinoa, barley, couscous, or any other grain, along with vegetables and fruits. They are usually dressed with a lemon juice or an olive oil dressing. Grain salads are a great option for vegetarians, as they provide a good source of protein and fiber. The best thing to eat with a grain salad is a lentil soup. Lentil soup is a hearty and nutritious dish that is made with lentils, vegetables, and spices. It is a great source of protein, fiber, and other nutrients. The combination of a grain salad and a lentil soup is a perfect balance of flavors and textures, and it makes for a satisfying and nutritious meal. Now, coming to the question what to eat with salad, it depends upon many factors like the type of dressing used in the salad, the taste preferences, the digestive capacity, and whether it is eaten as a starter or as a main dish. Now, first of all, let's talk about the salads that are typically eaten as a starter. Another type of salad that is gaining popularity is the grain salad. Now let's talk about salads that are typically eaten as a main dish. Now coming to the question, is it good to eat chapati with salad? And what about eating curd or raita with a salad? So to sum up, there is no hard and fast rule about what to eat with a salad. Namaskar.